In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier to Google Sheets to Activecampaign. The goal of this setup is simple. When a new row is added to your Google Sheets spreadsheet, Zapier will automatically create or update a contact in Activecampaign using the information from that new row. This helps you keep your email marketing list accurate without doing everything by hand. To begin, open your Zapier dashboard and look for the button that says Create Zap. Click it to start a new automation. This is where Zapier will ask you to choose what should trigger the automation and what action should happen next. Next, you will choose your trigger app. Select Google Sheets as the trigger app. Then you need to pick the event that starts the process. Choose New Spreadsheet Row. This means Zapier will watch for a brand new row being added to a specific sheet. It is the most common choice for contact and lead management workflows. After you select New Spreadsheet Row, Zapier will ask you to configure which spreadsheet and worksheet to use. Select your spreadsheet and then select the correct worksheet. Make sure you choose the same sheet where you are adding your contacts. Once that is selected, you will see an option to test the trigger. Click Test the Trigger so Zapier can pull in a sample row. This is important because it confirms Zapier can see your data and it prepares fields for mapping in the next step. Now that the trigger is working, you are ready to set the action. Choose Activecampaign as your action app. After that, select the event, Create or Update Contact. This action is designed for contact lists because it will either create a new contact if they do not already exist, or update the existing contact if they are already in your Activecampaign account. That way you avoid duplicates and keep details current. At this point, Zapier will prompt you to connect your Activecampaign account. Go ahead and connect it using the authorization flow Zapier provides. Follow the on-screen steps until Zapier confirms the connection is successful. When the connection is complete, Zapier will be able to send data to your Activecampaign lists and fields. With the connection established, you will need to select which ID and list to use. In Zapier, there will be fields where you choose the relevant ID and the list. Select the appropriate ID and list that match the audience you want to manage in Activecampaign. This ensures that the contacts coming from your spreadsheet are added to the correct destination. Now you will map your data fields. You need to map the email and name fields from your Google Sheets columns. In the field mapping area, choose the email column for the email field and choose the name column for the name field. Mapping tells Zapier exactly which values from the trigger row should be used in the action. Take a moment here to double-check that the correct columns are chosen, because incorrect mapping can cause missing or wrong contact information. Once you finish mapping, you should test the step. Click Test the Step so Zapier can run the action using the sample row from your Google Sheets test. After the test, Zapier will show you the results. Verify that the contact was created or updated in Activecampaign with the email and name values you expected. If anything does not match, you can return to the mapping stage and adjust the selected columns. When everything looks correct, you are ready to turn the automation on. Click Publish. Publishing activates your Zap, and from that moment, every time a new spreadsheet row is added to the selected worksheet, Zapier will automatically send the mapped contact data to Activecampaign according to your configuration. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.